Alright guys, I'm Amos and I'm back here at OnliSculpt, and today I'll be trying out their OnliSculpt treatment.
Look at that jawline, it's so obvious.
Wow, the results are instant.
This treatment can also reduce fatty liver.
Immediately, I could tell it worked.
As we age, our skin tends to get drier and saggier as well. So the OnliSculpt treatment uses radio frequency energy, which helps to stimulate collagen production and causes the skin to appear younger and firmer. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna start with treatment. You can feel like here it's definitely more like firmer, a bit more moisturized. So yeah, it's time for the other side. Wow, guys, okay, for myself, I really can feel the effect of my face feeling so hydrated and so firm right now. And also like to thank the staff, Amy, she was a great help. She was very patient, very diligent with the massage of my face. As you guys can see, the entire time I can feel like she put in a lot of effort into this entire process. For those of you who are facing the same problem as me, like aging skin, dry skin, dehydrated skin, okay guys, this treatment is right for you. You can feel you look at my skin, okay? It's like so much more firm and like hydrated right now. I can feel like I'm bursting with confidence. So yeah, you guys can try this out as well. Alright guys, this is the end for this video. Remember to subscribe to that channel, okay, OnliSculpt, to watch more similar videos right over here. Subscribe, videos. So it feels really comfortable. I feel like I can sleep at any point of time right now.